Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and that your exams are going smoothly. In today's video, I'm going to cover the programming for problem solving PPS, which is a common subject for all branches of first years under JNTUH for R25 regulation. In this video, I'm going to cover the important programs, algorithms, flowcharts, as well as the concepts unit wise. And do not forget to subscribe, like, share my content. And this video will help you study in the right sequence and score a better mark. Now let's begin the unit wise important questions, and I'll be letting you know the sequence of study for this course. The first unit to be studied by each and every individual student, as is the basic the basic unit for all the students. In order to take second, third, fourth and fifth, each and every student should have a strong foundation knowledge on unit 1. If you look here, these all are set with the very important short questions which were repeatedly asked for R22 as well as R18 regulation. Expecting the same, hope you are going to subscribe to my channel for the latest information on other courses also. I'm going to post even the internships as well as job related opportunities in the coming days to go. And coming to if statement, syntax is very important question, and the while and do while also. Here in this video, I have highlighted in green. The green colored statements are said to be the very important and gone short questions. And coming to the long questions, decision using if and if else and design nested loops with example is also said to be the short as well as the long question, which is repeatedly asked many times. And I have even focused even on the programs here, the factorial of a number and first n numbers, and Fibonacci series is said to be the topmost and one short questions, as well as even loop based also sometimes. These are the programs, algorithms as well as flow charts will be also asked in the course programming for problem solving. Do not write only in paragraph and making writing in too much lengthy, all filling up the pages. Ensure to write wherever you have a program as an example for each and every concept to score better mark. For example, if you ask here, define a structure, you're not supposed to write only the structure. Please, you need to explain with the program there, dear students. Ensure to work out even the programs for this course to score better mark. I repeat once again, each and every student who is taking this course as an exam tomorrow need to completely study the basics of C, control structure and loops. Then only you'll be understanding the next coming units. And this course is a foundation for all the computer science engineering engineers, where you are going to take the other courses similar as this is a prerequisite course for you all. Coming to the unit 2, this library functions, scope of a variable, input and output parameters is said to be the top most short questions for the part of unit 2, the functions and pointers. And even scope of names and parameter passing and modular programming using functions is said to be related to functions. You'll be getting even the programs which I've highlighted here. Calling of a function mechanism and to number using pointers. Make sure related to pointers you are going to get compulsory a gunshot question which may be occurring in the long question. Do not expect direct 10 mark question in the long questions. It is a combination of 5 plus 5 or 6 plus 4 or 7 plus 3. Hope you are writing the exam as per the instructions given by me earlier, like either you need to write either 2AB or 3AB, which is from the unit 1. Hope you are writing in that way only to scoring a better mark. All the highlighted points in green are said to be the topmost and repeated asked questions. Every student need to go even with the unit 2 also. It is not that like the other subjects where there is no continuity in the other courses, but coming to this course there is a continuity in reading and studying. The student who is looking to score and pass, just average student pass, need to study 1, 2, 3 unit for sure, 100% here. First 3 units need to be worked out 100% if you are an average student. Do not read bits and pieces from second, fourth, fifth, first. Whichever the questions you are not studying and entering the exam hall without 100% preparation of that concerned unit, the question may occur from that leads to failure, dear students. Hope you are listening to each and every point, just not only looking at the questions. You can take the screenshots, but listen to me what I am speaking here. Arrays and strings, one dimensional array. Types of arrays may be the short question and long question this time, and the strings basics in C and string library functions is said to be the gunshot question. And arrays in one dimensional as well as multi-dimensional arrays with an example maybe one of the important question this time. And arrays of pointers I can give you highlighted 100% that may occur in short or long this time. Dear students, do not forget to prepare the programs, algorithms, flowcharts wherever necessary. If it is asked like multi-dimensional array in the question for a 5 mark, you're not supposed to write in 4-5 lines. You need to write with an example. If there is any program related to it, that you are supposed to write program. Also carry two set of pens, one is blue and one is black. The black is for main headings and blue is for write up, and even carry the pencil. You can underline certain important points there. Look here, these are said to be the programs as well as algorithms, and the flow charts need to be worked out. As the course is too lengthy in its structure, it takes time for a student who is not yet 100% perfect with each and every unit. Do not leave any point. For example, array pointers is studied by you. For example, a sorting using array may also occur in the paper sometimes. Whatever I highlighted in the green are nothing but the repeatedly asked. Sometimes sorting using arrays also may come. If you not studying and entering the hall with poor preparation, you are going to fail this course. Coming to the unit 4, recursion, structures and unions. A student who is looking to score 50 plus marks, 45 plus above marks need to study even the fourth. There is no indirect like flowing into 1 to 4, 1 4 3, nothing like that. This course, the sequence need to be studied as per the course and the syllabus unit wise here. Coming to this union definition, difference between structure and union may be the short question. You need to write a program also for that, dear students, when it is asked even for 2 mark or 1 mark or whatever it is. Recursive mathematic function is said to be the short as well as long questions, and the applications of the unions. Even if an union, if they are going to ask you in the exam for a 2 mark, do not just write 2 lines, 3 lines and leave it. Write its applications, write its the program also, a short program to score out of mark. The factorial and Fibonacci series for recursive is said to be the topmost question here. Array structure and the flow chart showing recursive call sequence may be also the question. If you look here, all the subject, the entire course, every unit is too lengthy in its structure. It is just like an ocean. You should have a thorough basic fundamentals from the unit 1, dear students, to score and pass this course. I can iterate and I can say, as per my analysis of your earlier batches like R22, R18, many students fail this course because they have poor preparation. They won't write any program, they write only paragraphs and come here. Computer programming is said to be completely a programming subject. Even it is not asked in the question, you are supposed to write the program after each and every theory question. Hope you are getting why I am stressing all the time. If you are putting a backlog, taking and first year as a computer science or AIML or data structure, being your parent department, studying in the computer science department, if you're failing in this course, you are unfit, I can tell you. I'm sorry to use this word, dear students. File searching and sorting, these are bubble sort, selection sort, programming on these, as well as file modes in C and the text file versus binary file are said to be the very important concepts. Sorting algorithm with explanation is said to be the topmost question. When a filing handling is given in text, you need to write about the text and binary, as well as you need to write its applications also, and a small program related to text and small program related to binary as an example. Even if it is not asked, you are supposed to write. Getting, sometimes they may give you like a 10 mark question. You're not supposed to write file handling in C. The question, for example, they ask explain briefly about file handling in C. You're not supposed to write only theory part of that. You need to differentiate between the text and well as binary, and you need to write program, read and write text files, and to read and write binary files to get 10 out of 10 mark. This is how you are supposed to write as an engineering student. Do not write like a 10th class as well as intermediate cut paste as well as short questions. Like to score a better mark, you need to write too lengthy in its structure. insertion sort and selection sort programs are set with the topmost and gunshot questions. Here to for this course you need to write algorithm, you need to draw the flowchart in pencil, understand the logic behind the question as well as the programming. This will give you a full marks in this course called PPS. Dear students, hope you came to know that what you are supposed to study. You are supposed to share, subscribe to my channel and press a bell icon so that you are going to receive the latest notification in the coming videos. I am going to post even English as well as computer aided drafting or engineering drawing for all branches of engineering. I repeat once again, students who are looking to just pass need to study 1, 2, 3 for sure. Do not jump into 4, 5. If you don't know, you can read it later because you don't have enough time. As in computer science mother parent department, you need to have a basic fundamentals and thorough knowledge about the computer programming course as it's a prerequisite subject. I'm repeating and iterating for you all. Do not read in bits and pieces. Complete 100% syllabus need to be covered. Student who is good can go even with the 4th unit, and student is who is perfect even with the 4th unit can go with the 5th unit also. Dear students, do not read in bits and pieces. This is my kind request for you all. Hope you are going to subscribe and wishing you all a very good luck. And if you're looking for any other course important concepts as well as if you're looking for internships where you need to work out the internships as well as job opportunities, I'm going to do it for you all in the coming days to go. Do not forget to subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Dear students, this is Chandrashekar Vutukuri signing off now. Thank you.